Maybe you're here because you're wondering, WTF is MaxDiff and ConJoint analysis. And trust me, you want to know. Some of the biggest corporations in the world are using these techniques to help them figure out how to price their products or what to put into their product or service in order to make it successful when it gets to market. Now, why would they be using these techniques? Well, if we think about the choices we're making today, those choices are complex, right? Which movie are we going to watch tonight? Or which book are we going to read next? But as a business, choices are even more complex. And we have to be very careful about the money that we spend in order to attract our consumers, right? There's efforts when it comes to marketing, advertising, promotions. There's what we put in our subscription boxes. It's how we talk about our product and our brand, and so on and so forth. And we really need to make sure that we nail the mark. Now, of course, we could always ask direct questions like, hey, which of these flavors do you prefer? Which of these brands do you like? Or which feature is best? Or how much would you pay for this box? But the answers are often trivial and unenlightening. Especially when we ask people how much you would pay, they're always going to underestimate. If we ask them to maybe rate the different ideas or messages or claims that we have for our box, the answers themselves also often have low discrimination. And it's not really clear which one's the best because everything is important or everything is appealing. And the insights aren't very actionable. So when we force consumers to make difficult trade-offs, that's when we can uncover what they truly value. So one way of doing that is with MaxDiff, otherwise known as best-worst scaling.
Want to be part of the world's largest community of subscription innovators? Join our community today and take your subscription business to the next level.
For just $9 a month or $99 a year,
you'll get access to insightful content, actionable workshops, and industry insights.
Not only do you get exclusive content, but you get access to the largest community of subscription innovators and leaders. And with SUBTA Premium membership, you also get discounts on our live events.
Customer experience, operations, you name it, it's all there at SUBTA.com. It's some of the best money you could ever spend.
If you're in the subscription business, joining SUBTA is a no-brainer.
We can't wait to meet you. Join us at SUBTA.com.